go of it for the reasoning that you're not emotionally reliving and rehashing the same traumatic, negative bullshit feeling that you keep feeling over and over again. You are letting go of the instant replays. Whenever you forgive, it's not the concept of them. Although there's some people that will come from a spiritual avenue and talk about this, that, and the other thing. I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about the average Joe in a non-secular way. And I'm going to lay it down and say, when you forgive, you let go of that instant replay, that emotional